All right, so here's a look at this steamer. Now you can see that this has wheels on it, which is great for just kind of moving it around throughout the house. It's also gonna have some attachments on it, like a longer pole attachment. So if you wanted to use this kind of like a mop, you definitely can. You can see right here, this is the big attachment that goes on the bottom. So this is great for mopping your floors. It's got a little bit of like a Velcro material here, which is gonna hold on your pad. Now this is not the pad that actually came with it. This is one from another. I've got the main pad washing right now, but I kind of wanted to just show you what it looks like, because you could actually Velcro pieces on, and you can see that there. Now this is where the steam is going to come out in the middle. Just be very careful, because obviously it's really hot. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I press on the steam button. In the beginning, you got a little bit of dripping going on because we just had it sitting for a while. But you can see it's extremely powerful, and there's a lot of steam that actually comes out of here. Now this is gonna take about 8 minutes to warm up. So once you fill it up with the water, all you gotta do is just flick it on, and it's only off or on. So I like the fact that this is a really simple steamer. You're just gonna click it on right there. Wait about 8 minutes, and the way you'll know that it's actually ready to work is you're just gonna press the button, and the steam is gonna come out in a big quantity, and you're able to hold it down, and there's a lot of steam coming out of it. Now it's also gonna have this attachment up here, which you can kind of mount your pieces on. So if you wanted to just set it down for a second, you can do that. It also has a section right here where you're able to wrap the cable around. So once you're done using it, you can just wrap this around, and it's not going to take up too much room. Because of the fact that this has such large wheels, if I put it on the ground, you can see this will actually roll over onto carpet. It'll also roll over onto things like this pad that we have here in the kitchen. And the hose that comes on this is extremely long. You can see it's, yep, a little bit taller than me. And you're able to pull this around, and even on the floor, having it like this, I'm able to easily reach my countertop. So for most houses, you're gonna be able to reach those normal, stomach level height spots nice and easily without having to lift this up and put it up onto like a countertop or a table. It also lasts a really long time because of the amount of water that can go into this tank. I don't know the exact amount, but you're able to just fill it up here, and it's gonna come with a funnel as well. So you're gonna open this up in the beginning, you would put the funnel in, and then you can fill it up nice and easily. Just be careful, once it's hot, you don't wanna open this because it can easily burn you. So if you're looking for a powerful steamer, something that's got a bunch of different attachments, and you're able to use it all around the house, plus the fact that it has wheels, then I would highly recommend picking this one up.